In this video, I will show you how to generate meta tag. So visit this website technoadvice.com and click on this meta tag generator. Now here you have to fill this form like site title, site description, site keyword, and select here yes, allow robots to index your website. So make sure here select yes, and here also select yes, allow robots to follow all links, and here so leave this for box as default. Here you can select your primary language for your website. Search engine should revisit this page after. You can give the minimum 1 day. Now here give the website name like website title and website description. You write properly. I am just giving the example. Make proper keyword with commas, separate with commas, and after that just click on generate meta tag. So this is the meta tag for your website. Copy and paste into your website. So this is the website it's provided to generate meta tag. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.